America, a nation often associated with youthful ambition and democratic ideals, might seem an unlikely place to find palaces. Yet, scattered across its vast landscape are architectural marvels that rival the grandeur of European estates. These palaces, built by industrialists, entrepreneurs, and visionaries, stand as testaments to a bygone era of American opulence and ambition. They offer a glimpse into the lives of the nation's elite during the Gilded Age and beyond, showcasing their refined tastes, lavish lifestyles, and enduring legacies. Join us now as we embark on a journey to explore some of America's grandest palaces, delving into their fascinating histories, architectural intricacies, and cultural significance. From the sprawling grounds of the Biltmore Estate to the Mediterranean charm of Villa Vizcaya, we will uncover the stories behind these magnificent structures and the people who brought them to life. Let us step back in time and immerse ourselves in the world of America's grandest palaces. Nestled amidst the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina lies the Biltmore Estate, an architectural triumph that embodies the grandeur and ambition of the Gilded Age. Commissioned by George Vanderbilt, grandson of railroad magnate Cornelius Vanderbilt, the Biltmore stands as a testament to the family's immense wealth and their desire to create a lasting legacy. Completed in 1895, the Biltmore Estate encompasses over 8,000 acres of meticulously landscaped gardens, forests, and farmland. At its heart lies the Biltmore House, a 250-room French Renaissance chateau that is the largest private home in America. Designed by renowned architect Richard Morris Hunt, the house is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring intricate carvings, soaring ceilings, and a priceless collection of art and antiques. Today, the Biltmore Estate is a popular tourist destination, welcoming visitors from around the world who come to marvel at its architectural splendor and explore its sprawling grounds. Perched atop a hill overlooking the Pacific Ocean in San Simeon, California, sits Hearst Castle, a sprawling estate that embodies the lavish lifestyle and eclectic tastes of its creator, newspaper tycoon William Randolph Hearst. Often referred to as La Cuesta Encantada, the Enchanted Hill, Hearst Castle is a testament to Hearst's lifelong passion for collecting art and antiquities. The construction of Hearst Castle began in 1919 and continued for nearly 3 decades, with Hearst constantly adding new buildings, gardens, and architectural elements to his ever-evolving vision. The result is an eclectic blend of architectural styles, from Spanish colonial revival to Mediterranean revival, all seamlessly integrated into the surrounding landscape. Hearst Castle is a place where history and Hollywood glamour collide, a timeless monument to the ambition, vision, and excesses of one of America's most intriguing and controversial figures. In the heart of Newport, Rhode Island, amidst a cluster of opulent mansions that line the Atlantic coastline, stands the Breakers, a Gilded Age masterpiece that embodies the extravagant lifestyle of America's elite during the late 19th century. Built for Cornelius Vanderbilt II, grandson of Commodore Cornelius Vanderbilt, the Breakers was intended to serve as a summer cottage for the family. Completed in 1895, the Breakers is a stunning example of Renaissance Revival architecture, inspired by the grand palazzi of 16th-century Genoa and Turin. Designed by renowned architect Richard Morris Hunt, the 70-room mansion sprawls across 13 acres of pristine oceanfront property, offering breathtaking views of the Atlantic. Today, the Breakers is a National Historic Landmark, welcoming visitors from around the world who come to marvel at its architectural splendor and explore its meticulously landscaped grounds. While many of America's grand palaces are renowned for their European-inspired architecture, Winterthur Museum, Garden and Library, located in Delaware, stands apart as a celebration of American decorative arts and design. Originally the country estate of Henry Francis DuPont, Winterthur houses an unparalleled collection of furniture, textiles, ceramics, and other decorative objects spanning over 3 centuries of American history. The heart of Winterthur is the 175-room mansion built in the early 19th century and expanded several times over the years to accommodate DuPont's ever-growing collection. Unlike many other grand estates of the era, Winterthur was designed to showcase its collection, with rooms meticulously arranged to recreate the aesthetic of different periods in American design history. Visitors can wander through period rooms, each carefully curated to evoke the style and ambiance of a particular time and place. Beyond the mansion, Winterthur's 1,000-acre estate encompasses breathtaking gardens, designed by DuPont himself, that showcase a wide variety of native and exotic plants. Winterthur Museum, Garden and Library is more than just a museum. It is a living testament to the richness and diversity of American decorative arts. In the heart of Miami, Florida, overlooking the turquoise waters of Biscayne Bay, stands Villa Vizcaya, a stunning Italian Renaissance-style villa that transports visitors to another time and place. Built by James Deering, vice president of International Harvester Company, in the early 20th century, Villa Vizcaya was intended to be a winter retreat. Designed by architect F. Barral Hoffman and landscape architect Diego Suarez, Villa Vizcaya is a masterpiece of Mediterranean revival architecture, featuring a harmonious blend of Italian Renaissance, Baroque, and Moorish influences. The villa's exterior is characterized by its ornate facade, graceful arches, and a series of courtyards and loggias that blur the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. The interiors of Villa Vizcaya are equally impressive, featuring a treasure trove of European antiques, tapestries, and decorative arts, collected by Deering during his travels abroad. One of the most striking features of Villa Vizcaya is its 10-acre formal garden, designed by Diego Suarez. Today, Villa Vizcaya is a National Historic Landmark and museum, welcoming visitors from around the world who come to marvel at its architectural splendor and explore its meticulously landscaped gardens. Mar-a-Lago, a sprawling estate nestled on the shores of Palm Beach, Florida, occupies a unique position in the pantheon of America's grand palaces. Originally built by serial heiress Marjorie Merriweather Post in the 1920s, Mar-a-Lago has transitioned from a private residence to a private club, and later, to the Winter White House during the presidency of Donald Trump. Designed by architect Marion Sims Wyeth, Mar-a-Lago embodies a blend of Spanish colonial revival and Moorish architectural styles. The estate's name, a Spanish phrase meaning sea to lake, refers to its prime location, situated between the Atlantic Ocean and Lake Worth. The main house, a 126-room mansion constructed with materials imported from around the world, features ornate details including carved stonework, colorful tile mosaics, and expansive courtyards adorned with fountains and lush landscaping. Throughout its history, Mar-a-Lago has played host to a diverse cast of characters, from presidents and foreign dignitaries to Hollywood celebrities and business magnates. Its transformation into a private club in the 1990s, and its subsequent role as a backdrop for political events during the Trump presidency, have further cemented its place in American popular culture. Mar-a-Lago, with its rich history, architectural grandeur, and its unique position at the intersection of wealth, power, and American culture, will continue to captivate the public imagination for years to come. These grand palaces scattered across the American landscape are more than just opulent residences. They are tangible links to the nation's past, offering valuable insights into the lives, aspirations, and legacies of those who built and inhabited them. As repositories of art, architecture, and history, these estates serve as vital cultural resources, providing present and future generations with a glimpse into bygone eras and the evolution of American society. Many of these estates have been transformed into museums, open to the public for tours, educational programs, and special events. These institutions play a crucial role in educating the public about the history and significance of these sites, fostering an appreciation for the craftsmanship and artistry that went into their creation. The preservation of these grand palaces extends beyond the physical structures themselves. By supporting preservation efforts, engaging with these sites, and sharing their stories, we can help ensure that America's grand palaces continue to stand the test of time. From the soaring heights of the Biltmore Estate to the sun-drenched terraces of Villa Vizcaya, these grand palaces stand as enduring symbols of a pivotal era in American history. They embody the ambition, innovation, and artistic spirit that characterized the Gilded Age and beyond. These palaces, with their architectural grandeur, opulent interiors, and meticulously landscaped grounds, offer a glimpse into a world of unparalleled wealth and privilege. Yet they also serve as reminders of the complex social and economic forces that shaped America during this period. More than just static monuments to the past, these palaces continue to captivate the public imagination, inspiring awe, sparking debate, and serving as settings for countless stories. Through the preservation of these architectural treasures and the stories they embody, we ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to connect with their heritage and reflect on the complexities of American history.